Lights on!
In this video, I will showcase some of Vivid Sydney's best installations along with the location pins, making it easy for you to find the specific locations. Let me know in the comments what your favorite installation is, and also let me know what you think of this year's new additions of the fire kitchen and the techno train. What makes this video special, you may ask? I will show you a glimpse of how some of these amazing installations were created, recommend a Vivid tour, and even tempt your taste buds with some of Vivid's best foodie options. So let's dive in.
A new place, a new home, for a while, let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back, take my time, just enjoy the ride. A new man passing by, life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can find myself. Oh, I feel so alive. As I reach out to the sky. I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. Cause I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. Cause I found my way. Cause I found my way. Cause I found my way, my way, my way. Find my way, my way. Cause I found my way, my way, my way. Find my way, my way. I found my way, I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. Cause I found my way, I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. Cause I found my way. Cause I found my way. Cause I found my way, my way, my way. Find my way, my way. Cause I found my way, my way, my way. Find my way, my way.
theme of Vivid Sydney this year is humanity, and so our tour is perfectly fitting with that theme, because certainly being overseeing the sex worker legal service, I see sex workers as amongst the most maligned, misunderstood and most grotesquely discriminated groups of people in our community. So for us, it's an opportunity to bring their stories to light, to hopefully reduce some of that stigma and to humanise sex workers who walk and live amongst us.
Put all your stuff away and check out for the day. There's no time to waste when it's 100 degrees. Burns under my feet. Won't you have a drink with me? We head into town, see what it's about. Barely need a shirt though the sun has almost set. Make the most of it. I know we will dance and sing. And the city's on fire.
I would love to hear from the Vivid Sydney fans what you think about this year's balance of free versus the ticketed events. Check out this video for a well-curated, family-friendly experience that checks all of the boxes.